What's up guys? Flex ko sa inyo yung ating ginawang 798 na sliding window na may customized na sliding screen. Bali, request ng customer na mas durable daw. So, kaya ni-recommend natin na gumamit ng security mist. At the same time, gumamit rin ng SF101, 102. Bali, yun po yung kanyang frame. Ayan. Yung gamit nating jump dito is fixed interlocker. And then yung seal naman or yung guide sa baba is screen seal, SD screen seal. And then yung ating header naman dito guys is 1 by 1 na angular. Ayan. Bali may transom po itong sliding window natin, and then kung napapansin niyo po medyo marumi pa dahil nga po kasalukuyan pa pong ginagawa yung bahay. Ayan. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day everyone. Bye-bye.